Amazon's forced arbitration clause, silencing critics and suppressing justice. Amazon, one of the world's largest corporations, has faced criticism for its use of forced arbitration. This practice requires customers and employees to resolve disputes through private arbitration instead of going to court. But what exactly is forced arbitration? Forced arbitration is a clause in a contract that forces parties to settle disputes outside of the court system, typically through a private arbitrator. In the case of Amazon, it is contained in Section 18 of its Business Solutions Agreement, BSA. Every seller who wishes to sell on Amazon must agree to this clause without negotiation. This means that sellers and employees are unable to file lawsuits against Amazon. Instead, they must go through arbitration with the American Arbitration Association, AAA. Unfortunately, this clause also limits class or group actions against Amazon and severely restricts the ability to appeal arbitrator decisions. Furthermore, Section 8 of the BSA attempts to limit Amazon's liability to zero, which is unenforceable under Washington law. But why does Amazon employ forced arbitration? The company benefits in several ways. Firstly, it allows Amazon to keep disputes out of the public eye since arbitrations are private. This protects the company's reputation and helps avoid negative publicity. Additionally, forced arbitration often turns out to be cheaper and quicker for companies compared to litigation. The informality of arbitration proceedings and the lack of extensive discovery processes contribute to this efficiency. Lastly, forced arbitration can be stacked in favor of companies like Amazon, especially when they have a significant presence in the arbitration pool. This can bias the decisions in their favor. Unfortunately, forced arbitration harms both employees and customers. It denies them their right to a jury trial, depriving them of a fair and impartial assessment of their case. It also makes it challenging for individuals to hold companies accountable for their actions, as the private nature of arbitration proceedings allows companies to hide behind closed doors. It's crucial to raise awareness about the negative impacts of forced arbitration. Visit www.amazonsellers.attorney to learn more and support advocacy for fair and just practices.